Hi and welcome. This is Eric, and today I'm going to answer a question which I get a lot of times. The question is, what is Power Platform? Okay, so I get a lot of these questions most of the time, so I decided to create this video to answer the question. So, in short, Power Platform comprises of four components. There is Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. So the definition I'm reading here, it's the Microsoft Power Platform is a powerful set of applications that allow you to automate, build solutions, analyze data, and create virtual or virtual agents. So if you take a look at the definition here, as you see, it allows you to automate processes. That means it's Power Automate. It used to be known as Power or Microsoft Flow or Power Flow. Okay. Build applications or solutions. That's Power. Okay. This helps you to build applications with zero or a little bit of code. So if you don't have knowledge with programming, I think a great way to start is using Power Apps. And then analyze data. That's Power BI. And to create virtual agents, we use Power Virtual Agents. So let's go through one by one and see how these components work or what they are. So moving the next slide, this is Power Apps. So Power App, it's a suite of applications, services, and connectors, as well as the data platform that provides a rapid development environment to build custom apps for your business needs. Before, we used to use Visual Studio, and you go in there, you create your app from scratch. This Power Apps helps you to create your app, but now you drag and drop, and you write very little code. Okay, so going through the definition again, it says using Power Apps, you can quickly build a custom apps, business apps that connect to your data stored either in the underlying platform or in various online or on-premises data sources. So if you have your data online, you can still use Power Apps, can connect, and as well as if you've your data somewhere, maybe in Azure or anywhere in a virtual cloud or a cloud environment, you can still be able to connect. So I'm gonna do a full presentation here so that you can see what I'm talking about, if you can already see or read. So I'll do custom slide from the current slide. Okay, so and as well as it helps you to create desktop applications and mobile applications. Okay, so Power Automate, previously known as Microsoft Flow, allows users to automate their business processes without writing any code, and comes with several pre-configured templates that make it easy to automate. So these pre-configured templates, you're just gonna get a template, maybe it does some kind of automated task, and all you need is to customize it. You change according to the business processes. Okay, so with this Power Automate tool, you can send automatic reminders for past due tasks. So if you have a list of tasks and they have due date, you can customize, or you can write a process. So you can create a process to remind you maybe a week prior before the due date, or maybe 2 days before the due date. Also, it helps you to move business data between system on a scheduled task. So let's say if you are collecting the information, maybe it's a survey. You have customers, they fill in the survey, and maybe you want to analyze that data in a Power BI. You can use this Power Automate to get that information maybe every night, load it to Power BI, so that when your customer comes in the morning, or whoever analyzes the data, they can just go there to Power BI and see the information ready. And you can do a lot of things. You can schedule maybe it's every 5 minutes, every hour, and all that. And you can even automate tasks on your local computer, like computing data in an Excel. Same thing if you're moving one file from another, or maybe you're loading just information to the Excel or SharePoint, whatever you want to do, you can use this Power Automate to do that. Or maybe you're just moving the file, your file saved in a local computer, to maybe OneDrive in the cloud. That way, if the computer crashes, you can easily go back to the cloud and get your information. So maybe if you have a task which does that in the every night when you're off, you don't have to worry about losing any information. So the last one is, we do have two more to go. So we do have Power Virtual Agent, and I'm gonna go back to the full mode so they can see. So this lets you create powerful chatbots that can answer questions posed by your customers or other employees or visitors to your websites or services. Nowadays, if you visit your website, you may find the first thing you see there like a pop-up which comes in like a chat, and then it asks you a couple of questions and it may provide answers. Even I think if you go to some e-commerce websites, sometimes they will direct you or they'll ask you what you need, and then they'll answer based on your questions. And this most of the times it's automated machine, and one tool which does that is a Power Virtual Agent. So you can see here, you can just chat with a machine and you can get what you want, and as well as probably if you think the machine doesn't give you the answers you need, you can as well request for an associate or a human agent. But anyways, this helps you to create these chat BOTs. Okay. And the last one is Microsoft Power BI. Okay. It's the last one, but not the least. And actually, in short, this helps. There's no diagram here, so I can exit my full mode. But in short, this helps you to analyze data. Okay. So it does have some components or services in the background that does a lot of things. Okay, but at the end of the day, this helps you to correct the information and then to analyze and to produce some kind of reports at the end of the day. And it comes in two parts or three parts here, which the first one is Windows desktop applications. Okay, so we call this Power BI desktop, and it's a free version. You can download it from online. And then we'll go deeper into this, how to use Power BI desktop. But in short, it helps you to build the dashboards, to analyze the data. And at the end of the day, we do have a Power BI service that helps you to share the information with other people online. And we do have Power BI mobile apps for Windows, Android, and iOS devices. So once you share the information here online through the Power BI service, users can download the app and access that report through their mobile devices. Okay. So we'll discuss more about this. Keep waiting for my videos. I don't want this video to be long, but in short, Power BI allows you to see interactive real-time dashboard, and we'll go ahead and show you guys how to create a dashboard and how to work on a Power BI or to create a Power BI dashboard. Thank you very much. Today we're discussing about Platform. And we have seen it comprises of 4 components, which are Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agent. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. Take care.